Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share really quickly the panels that I used to make these cards. If you watched my last video, I will leave the link here if you did not get to see it. But I made these panels and so now I just cut them down to make cards. So here they are. Okay, so I ended up with 14 cards, I think. We'll count them. But I did use some of them. I used the panels. I made panels with them. And then some of them I made with the backgrounds. So these are them. Some of these sentiments I did receive from crafty friends by participating in the die cut swap that was hosted by Susan Tucker here on YouTube. And so that helped me assemble these much faster because they were already cut out. And the insides are all blank. I do have my personalized stamp on the back. But I guess I stopped counting. So I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So yeah, 14 of them. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing to join me on this crafty journey. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!